Where is Elon Musk's Tesla Roadster and its dummy driver, Starman? The Roadster, which launched on the maiden flight of SpaceX's huge Falcon Heavy rocket on February 6, surely has a window full of speeding tickets by now. And it's apparently tumbling, but in cruise control, outward bound from Earth. Thanks to a website set up by Ben Pearson, founder of Old Ham Media, you can keep up with the speeding Tesla in space. Pearson wrote on the site, whereisroadster.com.
I came to realize that people really were interested in the tracking of these objects. I started thinking about how I could manage to get this information, and then I came to realize that I could provide the tracking for it myself.